Hi everyone, welcome back to Restless Desi Travelers. In this video, we'll take you on a special journey through Iceland with amazing drone views. In the next 4 minutes, we'll show you stunning places we captured with our drone. Over 10 days, we explored this Iceland in a camper van, filming everything from coastlines to geysers. Thanks to our drone. Our adventure began in the south, where Iceland's beauty took our breath away. We visited a black sand beach where the waves crashed against ancient basalt columns. Be careful of the waves here, they are very powerful. Moving east, we saw Europe's largest glacier at Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Icebergs sparkled in the sunlight, drifting slowly through the deep blue water. You can find Diamond Beach here in the winters, where icebergs turned into diamond shape and sails through this lagoon. In the North Iceland, we were amazed by Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall. We had to walk 2 kilometers on the snow to reach the waterfall from the road. And then, this is a quiet fishing village of Siglifjord, nested in a calm fjord. This area, with its dramatic landscapes, felt like a different side of Iceland. Must visit. Continuing our journey, we explored the Tröllaskagi Peninsula, which felt like a hidden paradise. Towering mountains and fjords stretched as far as we could see. The drone captured the untouched beauty of the landscape. Crystal clear fjord waters framed by snow-capped peaks. It was a perfect mix of peace and wild beauty that amazed us. We stopped here for some time. We also discovered the geothermal landscapes around Lake Mævant, immersing ourselves in one of Iceland's most fascinating geothermal zones. Here, the earth comes alive with bubbling hot mud geysers and steam vents that creates a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere. The vibrant colors of the mineral-rich ground and the clouds of steam rising into the air make it feel like stepping onto another planet. Next, we visited the striking Kerio crater, peering into the heart of a volcano. This volcano was active many years ago, and now we can see what a volcano looks like when it becomes inactive. Not far from Kerio crater, we stopped at the geothermal plant, where this plant captures the Earth's geothermal energy, providing electricity and heating to the most of the Iceland. Sometimes the best moments are the ones that you don't plan. We pulled over at a random spot along the ring road to take it all in. With mountains on one side and open fields on the other, this quiet stop turned into one of the most peaceful scenes of our trip. We set up the drone, capturing the vast, untouched beauty around us. A perfect reminder that in Iceland, even simple places can take your breath away. On our journey, we met some of Iceland's famous wildlife. We saw playful puffins on cliffs at Grimsey Island. This is a must-visit island. And here we see Icelandic sheep roam freely across the fields. The sheep are a very significant part of Icelandic culture and agriculture. These sheep are primarily raised for their meat and the wool. On the other hand, Icelandic horses are also very interesting. This breed is famous for its special gaits, which is a smooth, comfortable way of walking. These horses are small but strong, making them perfect for Iceland's tough weather. While driving further, we made a delightful stop at a beautiful beach with a charming walkable bridge. This bridge, without cars and noise, offered a peaceful escape, inviting us to stroll and enjoy the surrounding beauty. Next, Kolugljufur Canyon is located in the northwest of Iceland, near the town of Bolundios. The canyon is known for its stunning landscapes and deep gorges. It features beautiful waterfalls that add to its charm. The area is a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers. From volcanic craters and bubbling geysers to glaciers and wildlife, Iceland's beauty is endless and ever-changing. We hope you enjoyed this aerial view of our 10-day ring road adventure. Whether you're planning your own trip or just dreaming of Iceland, its wonders are waiting for you. Finally, we reached back to the capital city and returned our van. We will try to make much more interesting videos. Please do subscribe if you like this video. Bye guys.